Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can send dice to someone on Monopoly Go. So if you want to purchase a dice for your friend, let's say you can click on the plus at the bottom, the one which shows money and plus, click on it and it's going to show you all the dices over here. So there's no way I can just click on it and send it to one of my friends. I cannot do that because Monopoly Go doesn't has the dice sharing feature. I cannot buy dice for someone else, but what I can do is I can go into their account and buy the dice using my bank account, which means let's say I want to send dice to one of my friends called Kev. What I can do is log into Kev's account by asking his account's details. From inside his account, purchase these dice using my bank account by linking my bank account to his account and then buying it. So that is the only current way which works on how you guys can send dice to someone on Monopoly Go. You cannot gift someone dice on Monopoly Go. I don't know why, but that is the case right now. But yeah, that is basically how you guys can send dice to some of other players on Monopoly Go by using your bank to purchase money for them. So I hope you understand how you guys can do that. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos of Monopoly Go like this. I'll see you guys next time.